Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 7 assessment for 2024 to 2025. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on.
To secure distinction at Level 7, students must fully understand the CIPD assessment framework. Each assignment is marked against clear learning outcomes, and demonstrating depth of knowledge is critical. Mapping each question or section of the task directly to the criteria ensures no requirement is overlooked. For example, if a task requires critical evaluation, avoid only describing concepts. Analyze strengths, weaknesses, and implications. Furthermore, referencing academic theories and linking them to real-world HR or L&D practices can strengthen responses. Distinctions are awarded for originality, critical insight, and structured arguments that go beyond surface-level discussion. When writing, highlight not only what the concept is, but how it applies in context. This requires synthesizing theory with practice. Students should also distinguish their answers from standard pass-level responses by adding depth, cross-referencing CIPD resources, and integrating current case studies or workplace evidence to show mastery. High-quality research underpins a strong Level 7 assessment. Students should make extensive use of CIPD resources, academic journals, and reputable business publications. This not only demonstrates breadth of reading, but also provides the evidence base for critical evaluation. Consistency in Harvard referencing is essential. It adds credibility and shows academic rigor. For example, quoting a CIPD fact sheet on talent management and applying it to an organizational case demonstrates both knowledge and practical understanding. Distinction-level answers balance theory with practice. Use workplace case studies, real examples, or sector-specific evidence to show application. Avoid excessive theory without context. Instead, critically examine how concepts like employee engagement or learning interventions apply to organizational challenges. Proper referencing also protects against plagiarism and adds professional credibility. A solid referencing strategy combined with strong research creates a strong foundation for assessment success. At Level 7, descriptive writing is insufficient. To secure a distinction, students must show critical thinking and analytical depth. This means moving beyond explaining a concept to evaluating its relevance and application. For example, instead of merely describing Kotter's change model, compare it with Lewin's framework, highlighting the benefits and drawbacks of each in a specific organizational context. Discussing limitations demonstrates deeper understanding. Furthermore, offering justified alternatives strengthens arguments. For instance, suggesting agile change approaches in rapidly changing industries shows adaptability and applied knowledge. Critical analysis also means questioning assumptions, examining evidence, and using both qualitative and quantitative insights. Integrating multiple perspectives, including ethical and cultural considerations, shows comprehensive understanding. Ultimately, critical analysis reflects the ability to think like a strategic HR professional, evaluating evidence and presenting reasoned conclusions that go beyond theory. Presentation and structure play a significant role in achieving higher marks. A distinction-level assignment is not only insightful, but also well-organized and professionally presented. Following the assignment brief closely ensures that each criterion is addressed. Logical structure helps assessors follow arguments clearly. Use headings and subheadings for signposting. This improves readability and allows for smooth flow of ideas. The tone should be professional, precise, and academic. Avoid overly casual language or unstructured arguments. Proofreading is vital to eliminate errors in spelling, grammar, and formatting, as these can undermine credibility. Tools like Grammarly or referencing software can assist, but should not replace manual checks. Clear presentation reflects professional standards expected at Level 7 and aligns with CIPD's emphasis on communication skills. Remember, assessors are looking for evidence of professionalism alongside critical insight, and strong presentation elevates your overall grade. Strong time management is essential for success in Level 7 CIPD assessments. Many students fail to achieve distinction because they underestimate the planning and revision time required. Breaking assignments into stages, such as research, drafting, and reviewing, makes large projects more manageable. Self-imposed deadlines help maintain progress and avoid last-minute rushes. Balancing depth with word count is also critical. Spending too many words on descriptive content can limit space for analysis. Instead, allocate word count proportionally to critical evaluation and application, which carry higher marks. Allowing time for revision ensures arguments are refined and errors corrected. It's also helpful to review the assessment criteria before final submission to ensure all requirements are covered. Building in time for reflection allows you to add insights that distinguish your work. Effective time management not only reduces stress, but also ensures you can deliver polished, distinction-level submissions.